Hello you guys, and welcome back to another video. This is Lotus Vibration, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe as we talk about spirituality content as well as lifestyle and journaling content. And I basically wanted to come on here and just share a video with you guys on 6 different ways to raise your vibration. With all these planetarian shifts going on in the world right now on a global scale, I just wanted to share some things that I've learned along the way throughout this whole spiritual journey that may be able to help you guys raise your vibration. Oh, I'm going to be working off my handy dandy creativity notebook, so if you see me looking down, you know why. 6 ways to raise your vibration. Before we get into it, I want everybody to hit that subscribe button right now because I'm speaking it into existence right now. This channel is going to be a pretty big channel on YouTube in 2023, and I'm just manifesting that in absolute confidence right now. So go ahead and share this with a friend. Send some energy to you, girl. Send some love. If you made it to this point, then God has a special message for you. So without further ado, let's get into the 6 different ways to raise your vibration. The first thing is, obviously, to raise your vibration is to let go of any energies that is not serving you. For the entire year, I have been on it with the new moon and the full moon energies. During the new moon, I've been manifesting this entire year. The full moon amplifies things, so that is a time to start releasing unwanted energies that is no longer serving you and your etheric energies, so that you can move forward and just be the best person you can be as the cycle continues, because obviously we are living in a cycle as we are high conscious evolutional beings. Letting go of any energies that is not serving you mentally, letting go of any energies that is not serving you physically. That may be heavier foods, that may be things like meat. For me, I've been eating meat all my life, but like for the last 6 weeks since I've been in the gym real heavy, I've been focusing on like protein intake. And while I still know that amino acids are the building blocks of protein, I still been eating meat, like consuming meat just a lot more. And it's like, are you creating a dense body or are you creating a light body? So with that being said, like today, when I got home from the gym, I had some spring mix, some rice, chia seeds, and sweet potato, and baby, it was delicious. So I'm going back to like plant-based primarily. You might see me with some shrimp or something like that, but me letting go of what is not serving me on a physical plane. Okay, so letting go of things that may not be serving me spiritually may look like releasing or saying a prayer, just doing some meditations to de-stress, release any unwanted emotional blocks that may be still trapped within the inner child or the shadow self. So, which is meditate. Okay, meditate for me has been extremely essential in my spiritual evolution. One of the biggest and most fastest ways personally that I have been able to raise my vibration is by meditating. Guided meditations, I've done astral meditations, I've done meditations to de-stress, I've done meditations to manifest, I've done meditations to get rid of anxiety, I've done meditations for chakra balance, I've done so many meditations, including just a quiet meditation where I'm paying attention to my own thoughts and just observing and noticing them, right? And so like meditation has been the thing for me. It has been the main tool in my closet, if you will, for raising my vibrations. It's just really like, I went to my homegirl's house the other day, and mind you, this whole spiritual journey and the dark night of the soul and where I've been, I haven't been around people a lot, and I wanted to just have fun, so I went to my homegirl's house. But before that, I did a meditation to release subconscious blockages, because I feel like I just needed to flush everything that may have been preventing me from having just the best time of my life and just being in the present moment. So for me, that is what I did. I did a meditation to release subconscious blockages, negative energy, energy that may have been stuck in my psyche for maybe the last few days or even the last few weeks, that I just needed to subconsciously release. Okay, so meditation, there's so many different meditations that you can do. I did name a lot of them as mentioned, and also I just feel like that's the best way to connect with your higher self, and ultimately that's where we're headed. So like, in order to raise your vibration to become your highest self, which we already are, let's meditate. Okay. Number 3, the third way to raise your vibration is going to be embracing your shadow self and your inner child. And I feel like everything that I've already mentioned, the 3 things that I've already mentioned, which is embracing your shadow self or your inner child, meditating, letting go of any energies that is not serving you. If you notice, they're all interconnected, all just really seamlessly connected. You can do a meditation to embrace shadow self. You can do a meditation to embrace your inner child that may be subconsciously still there. Well, it is subconsciously still there. It's just that version of you is healed or unhealed. And so like, I just feel like everything is interconnected. Let's get into embracing your shadow self and your inner child. For me, on a spiritual level, embracing my shadow self and my inner child has been the hardest thing for me to do. Because I knew that I had so many core beliefs that were just a story of the mind. A story of the mind. So I just feel like, oh my God, like this one is a deep one for me, and I'm just trying to translate it in a way where I feel like you guys will really resonate with what I'm about to say, because obviously in order to even access this version of you, whether healed or unhealed, you must sit in meditation with yourself. And depending on if that version of you is healed or unhealed, certain circumstances from the past may come up. And with that being said, sitting with yourself in the now and allowing your adult self, your higher self, your more evolved self, sitting with those what seem like problems or a situation that was uncomfortable for you, and making peace with that in the now is a great way to raise your vibrations. It is all of these subconscious thoughts that navigate our mind every single day, never turns off. 95% of your mind is subconscious, on a subconscious level. And so that's the bulk of your mind. That is what's driving your actions on an everyday basis. And so all of this memory or data that has been stored is still there, and it's up to us to acknowledge that and make peace with all parts and all aspects of ourselves. So embracing your inner child and embracing your shadow self is easily a great way to raise your vibration. To number 4. The 4th way to raise your vibration is going to be to move your body, period. Move your body, okay? I'm in the gym 5 days a week for 2 hours a day. I'm not saying you need to put in that much, but whatever floats your boat. You can do Pilates, you can literally do yoga, you can do you can dance. Like, there's so many different ways to move your body. It doesn't have to be strength training. It can literally be going outside on a walk for 30 minutes a day, and that's it. You don't have to overthink it. Just moving your body and being out in nature and allowing the blood to move through and flow through you is a great way to raise your vibration, because when those cells are not moving as effortlessly and fluently, then in a sense the energy is just stagnant, right? And so we want to move our body. We want to get into the flow of things and ultimately raise our vibrations. So the fourth thing is going to be moving your body. Moving your body. Period. So number 5, the 5th way to raise your vibration, to listen to music, okay? Listening to music. For as long as I can remember, I loved music. I would literally stand outside of the bathroom of my older brother's shower time just to dance, just to listen to his music when I was a kid. And like, I know so many like old school songs, and it's because I have like brothers and sisters where I just dwelled in their presence and listened to the music that they heard, and like I just love that about me. One of the ways that the universe speaks through me the most is through music. And if you didn't know, music is a universal language. It is the language of the universe, and I mean that in the most literal sense, in a sense. And that's just, don't quote me on that, but in my opinion, YouTube is YouTube. Music, there's so many different tempos of music that you can listen to. There's sad music. If you're feeling sad, obviously you don't want to do that, because we're trying to raise our vibrations. But what I'm trying to say is there's a song for every emotion that you may be feeling. But when you want to raise your vibrations, guys, you can listen to, there's a whole range of songs that will help you lift your spirits. If you're into gospel can do that for you. I like Leandria, I like Kirk Franklin, I love oh my god, Men of Standard, I love J Moss. Like, I just feel like it speaks to me the most. But also, if I'm going through something where I feel like I need to raise my vibration and nigga got me fucked up, then I'm gonna go listen to some Tink, period. Okay, whatever floats your boat is what I'm saying. Okay, so 5th way to raise your vibration is to listen to music. All right, last but not least on the list, the 6th way to raise your vibration is going to be speaking highly of yourself. Speaking highly of yourself. Speak highly of yourself at all times. Do you understand that the power of the tongue is everything? Everything that you say, you are casting a spell on yourself. And that is for better or for worse. That is for richer or for poor. That is spiritually and physically. Everything is connected, guys, in the universe. And I'm here to let you know that tips and ways are interconnected with each other. We have to understand that the universe is speaking to us through everything that we say. And what we say we shall have is what we will get. To get a pumpkin, you must plant pumpkin seeds. To get an oak tree, you must plant an oak seed. Okay? And to get positivity, you must speak positive of yourself. That's just what it is. This may sound like waking up in the morning and giving yourself a big hug. Giving yourself a hug, first thing in the mirror in the bathroom, when you wake up, speak highly of yourself. If you need to write it on your bathroom mirror, baby girl, do that, because what you say is what you shall have. God doesn't give you what you want. God gives you what you are, and you are what you say you are, and we all have that power. Speaking highly of yourself is going to be a key tool in your toolbox when it comes to raising your vibrations. If this video helped y'all in any way, if this video raised your vibration, or if you just like the energy and the vibe that this video is giving, the subscribe button, because like I said, I'm already speaking positive and highly of myself when I say Lotus Vibration is going to take off in 2023, and that's on Christ consciousness, okay? So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you. This is Lotus Vibration, and I'm out.